Hey guys, welcome back to BASANT Kitchen. Today we're gonna do something different. We have done all different kinds of recipes. We've done rice, we've done pasta, sandwiches, you name it, we've done it. The only thing we haven't done yet is appetizers. So I wanted to start off with one of my favorite apps. We're gonna do sesame chicken sticks. I'm gonna show you how to make the crispiest chicken, and then I'm gonna show you how to make sesame sauce from scratch. It is a cool recipe. The applications are endless. You can serve it as an appetizer. If you serve it with some sort of starch, it could be a dinner. So without any further ado, let's get this awesome recipe started. I'll go over the basic ingredients really quick, but as usual, I'm gonna have everything with recipes and measurements posted in the description box. We have red chili flakes, Cajun seasoning, sesame seeds, brown sugar, granulated garlic, fresh ginger, 2 to 3 pounds of clean chicken breast. I'm gonna show you how to fillet it, flour, water, honey, eggs, and a fryer. We're gonna go in 2 steps. First, we're gonna prep the chicken, then we're gonna make the sauce, then we're gonna put it all together, and we're gonna plate it because that's my favorite part. We're gonna start off with the sauce first. Once that's cooking, then we're gonna start making the chicken, and then we're gonna put it all together and make this awesome recipe. On medium heat, we're gonna put 2 cups of water down. We're gonna put 1 cup of soy sauce. I use low sodium, so it's up to you. We're gonna do ½ cup honey. I heated it up for like 10 seconds, so it was easy for me to just put it in. Add ½ cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic, and 1-inch piece of ginger. So now I'm just gonna let it cook. On medium heat, you don't wanna cook it too fast. Let it cook. I'm just gonna reduce it down on medium heat. You don't wanna cook it too fast. And you're gonna let the sauce get thick. And what we're gonna do is we're not gonna wait for the sugar to cook down to make it thick. I'm gonna add a little bit of cornstarch. You see, I brought the sauce to a boil. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add cornstarch. I took 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and mixed it with a little bit of water, just enough for it to be liquid, and we're gonna put half in first and see if you need more. So half of that liquid for cornstarch was enough. I want you to see the consistency of the sauce and the beautiful color we got. The sauce is complete. I'm gonna turn it off. We're gonna take the ginger pieces out. We don't need them anymore. And now we're gonna work on the chicken. Get started on chicken now. So just take chicken breast and you just cut it in nice long strips, but we're still gonna pound it. I'm gonna show you how. But as far as cutting the chicken, well, this thick. That's exactly what you want. Lightly pound it. I'm gonna break the tissue. It cooks evenly. So you can see the chicken is prepped. It's beautifully done. We're gonna put it on the side. Now I'm gonna make a dredging station. We're gonna start off with flour. I'm gonna mix Cajun seasoning right in it. I'm gonna put the recipe for Cajun seasoning in the description. But if you have your favorite Cajun seasoning, use that. Just make sure it's low sodium or no sodium seasoning, because teriyaki sauce itself has a little bit of salt, so you don't want it to be a little too much. Flour ready. Now I'm gonna get eggs ready. So it's gonna be a simple thing. We're gonna dredge it in egg, and then we're gonna dredge it in flour. The simplest dredging station ready. Seasoned flour, egg, chicken, and the resting area. So we're gonna start with is the chicken's gonna go in the egg, flour, we're gonna put it on the tray, we're gonna finish dredging it, and then we're gonna start deep frying. It's the simplest thing in the world. I'm gonna make sure it's covered in egg and then the flour. Egg, flour. I had the fryer heating at 375. Just gonna drop it down. So I want to show you how it's coming out. It's not done. This has to get super golden We're gonna let it go, but you see, the breading is sticking so perfectly. Okay, ready? Wow, look at that. Look at the beautiful color and it's nice and crispy. So what we're gonna do is I have an extra pair of tongs here. I'm gonna take a piece of the chicken out and we're gonna let it rest. So guys, you saw how we made the sauce, you saw how we made the chicken. Now I wanna show you the finished product. Look how beautiful the chicken came out. People do all this crazy stuff to make crispy chicken tenders. Look at this. Look at this. How gorgeous this is. The simplest thing in the world. And now the sauce. Wow. I mean, you have to try it to believe it. It is the simplest recipe to make sesame sauce. There's absolutely nothing to it. A few ingredients, you get it to a boil, you add cornstarch, you let it rest, and it's good to go. Now I'm gonna show you the coolest part, how to finish this recipe. So on medium heat, I'm gonna add the sauce to my pan and let it get hot. You see the sugar started to caramelize? That's our cue. We're gonna add everything in it. And just work it. Little by little, keep turning. And you want the sauce to marry it completely. Now I'm gonna add the remainder of the sauce on top of it, so everything is covered. This is exactly what you want. Everything is covered and the smell is amazing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add sesame seeds because it is sesame chicken sticks. And look at that. My favorite stuff. This step is completely optional. I like a little heat, so I'm gonna add a little, like about teaspoon worth crushed red peppers to it. Not only that it looks hot, it gives it a little heat, makes it even more exciting. This is it. The recipe is complete and it smells amazing and it looks amazing. Now we're gonna move on to my absolutely favorite part. We're gonna start plating because it is BASANT style all the way. We are done. The recipe is complete. And I wanted you guys to see the two sides of it. Over here, if you just see the protein, that's just your appetizer. But if you serve it with the starch, it can be a dinner. It is a simple recipe, it is a cool recipe, and it is so versatile. Like if you have a few friends coming over, you just want to put something together, you make the sauce, you make the chicken, you put it together, your appetizer is ready. If you want to serve it for dinner, you do it, you make some veggie stir-fried rice, and there you go. You have dinner. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I cannot wait to try this BASANT style. Now for my favorite part. I'm gonna try. Okay. Wow. No. The sauce, the chicken, amazing. It is one of the best things I've made. Wow. Wow. That's so starving.